AFSC Coimbatore. This is the place from where the journey of Formidable started on 1st of January 1970. 50 long years after that, we are all getting together to celebrate our golden jubilee. Mrs. Verma arriving. Verma will be following. Here is Mrs. Verma. Here the lifeline, live wire of our party is coming. The architect of our party. Hi. Hello. Please welcome. Mrs. Verma,
yes.
Mr. Verma, and here they have arrived all set to set up the party.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Here the Riva is arriving with his the Riva's tiger has arrived with a unimitable tiger. Roar. The party is getting warmed up. Some more are to come. Look at the entire place is decorated very cheerfully.
सर जी आप जरा 1 मिनट के लिए उठे तशरीफ करें
Spirit of Swadhin never gave up, and
Goswami
and Minocha came up, the most magnanimous person of our course. His house is always open for us. So therefore here we are, and I'm sure that we are all enjoying it much better, which could have been done ever in any mess. Thank you so much for coming.
But
Thank you, sir.
Minocha has always initiated. In fact, 2-3 years before he went to the Canada and all that, I used to come here and spend my day. That used to be date. Minocha and my date.
Meet our magnanimous host, Wing Commander K.L. Minocha. Philor Lal. He is from Philor. We remember that in the first day in the AFSC, how he had hidden himself under the cot to get saved from bragging of the seniors, and ultimately he was caught because seniors were damn worried that where he has vanished. And now he is a good old gentleman with a large heart, and but for him, this party wouldn't have been possible. Now, I am taking you to the hostess. She is Mrs. Minocha, and she is with us today also in the form of a picture.
पकड़िए हम लोग कट
हाँ आप लोग सब मिलके करेंगे ऑल द लेडीज
आइए कम
आइए कम बोलो आइए सब लोग सारी लेडीज हाथ लगाइए कबर ले लो सब लोग हाथ
हाँ अब खिलाइए सबको
चलो वो कौन कर रहा था बार बार
मोमबत्ती जलाया नहीं
आप लोग का कैंडल
हाँ चलिए आप लोग उधर से तुम वीडियो लो उधर से तुम लोग आइए कम आके आगे करना आना भाई इसके बट्टू आइए आइए शर्मान सब लोग हाथ लगाइए भाई देयर यू आर हाँ दिस इज अ गुड आइडिया एक दूसरे को खिलाते हुए एक दूसरे को खिलाते हुए भाई भैया खिला दे इधर
The cake cutting ceremony is now over. The taste of the cake is something to be believed only after tasting it. This has been brought in jointly by Amit and Anil Bhatnagar. It is time now to move in for lunch. And oh boy, what a lunch it is! The ladies have brought in a dish each and they have cooked these dishes by their own hands with all the love and affection for the formidables. The yummy keema matar has been brought in by Mrs. Swadhin Chandra. The gorgeous Shahi Paneer brought in by Mrs. Mohan. The ever generous Mrs. R.S. Verma has brought a lot of chicken biryani and lovely pudding. Mrs. S.K. Verma has cooked unending number of puris filled generously with peas. To go along with it, Minocha's beer has set the mood. After the lunch, we all settled down. Swadhin and R.S. Verma went around giving fragrant ilaichis and Lucknowi sauf. Soon, Minocha brought in his tambola set and the tickets were on sale. Though the total collection was only 1200 rupees, but it was more than made up by the boisterous yes, no, and all the shoutings all over. It took a little longer time for the people to understand what the prizes were, and we had spent good about half an hour playing tambola with lot of joy. After tambola was over, we looked at our mobile phones. We found that formidables from other states who couldn't join have been mentally and spiritually with us in this party, and they have sent messages from all over. The first message was a video call from Ravi Mahajan, and after that we read very touching messages, congratulatory messages from A.H.M. Sinha, Subroto, U.B. Patil, Sushil Jha, Inder Suri from Bangalore, Deepak Sinha from Bangalore, Anmol Kshatriya from Faridabad, and Avinash Surma from Delhi, who couldn't join in. It was so touching. It gave a feeling that all of us are still together and we are all looking for the biggest ever get-together in 2020. 21. It was time to go, striking somewhere about 3:30. Now we are moving out. A good thing has come to an end, but it has left its signature in our mind forever.